See, if agricultural land is sold to non-agriculturalists, this is going to create a disaster in the whole of Goa. They have got many projects, whatever, but agricultural land, rice fields or khazans should always remain as per zoning, as per the present zoning. They should not be changed at all. Especially agriculture and the rice fields and all this, and meant for agriculture purpose. They cannot be transferred. This is going to be disaster for Goa. This is all about the government's Goa agriculture policy, and this is a point that was put to the Gramsabha for discussion. The main thing is that, and it was discussed, certain points were discussed at the Gramsabha. Main thing is that agricultural land should not be given or sold to non-agricultural. If we start doing that, we will be left with nothing in the village or in the villages. And another main thing is that we have to make effort in cultivation, in getting into agriculture. If not, if not, we are surely in trouble. Forming farmers clubs in villages, that is also of utmost importance. That the village biodiversity management committee also, they have a major role to play in this. And as far as agricultural land to be bought, I've been listening that it can be bought even by non-agriculturalists. This is debatable, and we recommend and we suggest to the government that this should be stopped. To have all the points compiled into one, all recommendations given by the farmers, by the Chicalim Youth Farmers Club, other farmers, they will be compiled together and sent forth to the Department of Agriculture on their website, or handed in personally in their department. All the recommendations from the village of Chicalim.
पयलीं म्हणटा नाकेली वाठारांत मातशें व्हेकल रस्त्याचेर पार्किंग करताय, डबल पार्किंग करताय, एक गॅरेज ना. पंचायतीन ताका जायत पास सांगता मातशें कॉपरेट कर म्हूण क्लियर करपाक. कोत्ता पूण कितें मॅटर कोर्टांत कितें आहा, सो ताका लागून ते मातशें लोकांक सारके त्रास, स्पेशली आमगे भुरगीं हायस्कुला भुरगीं वयता तांकां सारके त्रास जाताय. रस्त्यार चलोवंक पडटा तांकां. So सरपंचान तांकां सांगलां whatever need to be done, they will definitely get it done within 8 days. If need be, we'll go to the traffic police with a delegation, meet the PI and get this thing sorted out once and for all. As for the agriculture policy, the Panchayat has told both the clubs, Chicalim Farmers Club and all the other farmers who are there, plus the Chicalim Biodiversity Management Cell, to come together, give the points and send this proposal to the agriculture ministry.
The major issue was highway car parking by Sai Automatic Garage. 2-3 letters we have made to traffic department. उनका एक्शन जावना. So लोग मातशे जाले की आमी इतलेदा रिमाइंड केला तुमकां पंचायती काय एक्शन जायना. So we have resolved and will be forwarding that resolution of the Gramsabha to the traffic cell as soon as possible to remove that vehicles. And the second agriculture policy was discussed. So we have taken that letter. We will be forwarding to the agriculture department.
आम्ही ऐकलं की वेबसाईट तयार करपाची लोकांची सोय जावपा खातीर आनी
We are developing a online website where people sitting at home, they can pay their house taxes, their commercial taxes, all the complaints they can register online. So soon our Panchayat will be going online.